Once again.
Hi my peeps, what's up, Wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And yes guys, this recipe will be easy and fast. And you know what me I gonna make? Some Jamaican fried dumpling. Yes. Without no long talking, we're gonna get straight into the video and I'm gonna show you what I'll be using as I go along. Alright, my little container here. Alright, we're gonna add 2 cups of flour right into this. This is all-purpose flour. All right, you can use self-rising flour, then you don't need no baking powder. All right, and roughly 2 cups. You can make more or less. Okay, yes, I'm gonna use 2 teaspoons sugar. You can use white or brown. Gonna make the dumpling a little bit sweet. Optional though, you don't have to use it. I'm gonna use ½ teaspoon salt. I'm judging it. Hard to come out. Can you see it, guys? But roughly ½ teaspoon salt. This is my baking powder. All right, now let me tell you something. When you're frying dumpling, all right, you can use self-rising flour, however you want to call it, but guys, when you're using the all-purpose flour, you need to get it to self-rising flour. All right, so basically you need ½ teaspoon salt to 1 cup of flour, and you need 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, and that's it. All right, but you know me cut down on the salt, so me just use ½ teaspoon salt for the 2 cups of flour. Now we need 3 teaspoons baking powder because I'm doubling it up. It's 2 cups of flour. All right, so here goes. 1, 2, 3. Because boy, some baking powder Jamaica strong, but the one I use here in Canada, it works just perfectly. I have some milk. You can use soy milk if you don't really drink milk, or you can just use water, guys. Water will do. But what I did, I add half of the 2% milk and half of water. So basically I do half and half. Okay, and I don't know how much I'm gonna use yet. I'm just gonna mix it until it forms a dough. Okay, remember to wash your hands. Okay guys. All right guys, when you mix everything, you just want to go in with your milk and you're gonna add it gradually. I don't think we want any more milk, so it's about a cup of milk. Can you see this, guys? Look at that. This is how you want it. All right, now we're gonna prepare the frying pan with some oil. I wish I had coconut oil, but me run out of the thing, so me just have to use some vegetable oil. I turn my stove up at 5 and I have some vegetable oil, and I'm gonna pour some in. We're gonna wait until it's hot a little bit, and we're gonna test the oil to see if it's too hot or what. So what you want to do, just pinch off a little piece of the flour and drop it in. Then you know if it's hot, yes or not. I guess that's it. We can start right there. So I'm gonna make these dumplings. All right guys, you want to take up a little bit at a time. You have many ways you can make it. You can knead it with your finger like this, and you want to squeeze it, and you can put it in. So that's good. That's one way. But if you want to make it round and nice, you want to grip or bend your fingers like this and then scoop it up like this, but you're not actually taking it up, and you're gonna make a spin. You're just gonna rub it or roll it in the palm of your hand, just like that, and you want to put it in. And we gotta turn that one. That means my stove need to turn down a little bit. We're gonna turn these bad boy. This one can come out now, guys. You see? Yes, that one is ready. Something to drain the oil, and you're gonna put them on the paper towel. And that's left. That's what left, guys. I'm gonna make a little roll up. A little roll up, yeah. And guys, you know when they're done, when they start to float somewhat, all right? They're light and airy. So this one is done. Put it here so you can drain out the oil. So you know we can take out the first batch, all right? You want them to be golden brown, not dark, you know, just golden brown. Like this one, also done. Nice, yes. This one is done. All right, guys, they are all done now, and you just want to take out the rest of them. See me look a roll up, yeah? All nice. Look at that. Ooh. So fluffy and nice. I'm gonna break one and I'm gonna show you inside. Okay, guys, I'm not lying. Look at these. Look how nice they are. Wait, let me show you. Let me transfer some over here, show you first. We're gonna take one, all right? And we're gonna open it. Can you see it, guys? Can you see it? So good. Let's try another one. Goodness. Dumpling in my mouth, guys. Wait. So good. Have a little bit of sweet with the sugar. Real authentic Jamaican fried dumpling. Can you see the goodness in it, guys? Golden brown. Yes, that's it. And guys, look at it. I stacked them up high so you can see them. This is how you make Jamaican authentic fried dumpling, all right? Really soft, moist. Look at the flakes on it. So delicious. Look at that. That's how you make Jamaican fried dumpling. All right, guys, love upon me and I love upon you. Bye, guys.